This rechargeable electric lunchbox can warm your meal almost anywhere without hunting for a microwave. You could pack it for work, carry it in your vehicle, or take it with you during a day away from home. Let's look at everything that comes with it and then see how it works. The lunchbox fits into an insulated gray bag. It has a top handle, a convenient front pocket, and clips on both sides for the included shoulder strap. The insulation also helps protect the lunchbox while you're carrying it. A QR code on top provides quick access to additional product information. There's also a built-in compartment that keeps the included spoon and fork clean, organized, and ready to use. Inside the package, you'll find the operating instructions and a USB Type-C charging cable. Since the lunchbox runs on a rechargeable battery, charge it completely before taking it with you. This flexible silicone divider gives you two separate areas inside the container. For example, you could place chicken and rice on one side while keeping your vegetables separate on the other. Remove the divider when you want to warm something like pasta, chili, or a breakfast casserole. Now, let's look at the front control panel. Press the power button to turn on the lunchbox. The mealtime function lets you schedule when you want your food ready. Instead of remembering to start it later, you can select the desired time and allow the lunchbox to manage the heating schedule. You can also start a heating cycle manually and choose how long it should run. Since a thick pasta dish may heat differently from rice and vegetables, adjust the time based on the meal and the portion size. The Keep Warm mode helps maintain the temperature of the food that's already warm. Once everything is set, lock the control panel. This helps prevent the settings from being changed if something presses against the buttons inside the carrying bag. Before heating your meal, lift the pressure release valve on the lid. This allows the steam to escape while the food warms. This container holds a generous portion. I was able to fit an entire plate full of food inside, making it practical for a full lunch rather than just a small snack. Whether you pack chicken and rice, pasta and soup, roasted vegetables, or last night's meatloaf, this electric lunchbox provides a convenient way to enjoy your food warm while you're away from home.